Our office had been hearing stories and receiving lots of phone calls over the many years about the lack of community-based mental health supports in Oklahoma County, Oklahoma City, and kind of the state in general.
Back in January, the Oklahoma Disability Law Center told us stories involving people with behavioral health disabilities date back before 2022, when the Department of Justice first launched its investigation. Mark Nelson with the Fraternal Order of Police told us what leaders at the DOJ told them Wednesday.
Ultimately, there was not a pattern and practice related to Oklahoma City Police Department's dealing with those who are in a mental health crisis or behavioral health crisis.
So let's go back to the original findings from the DOJ back in January. Keep in mind, staff in the department were investigating under President Biden's administration. It mentioned some examples of people who had run-ins with police, and the report says they should have gotten behavioral health services.
On a high level, there might be one or two instances cited out of hundreds or thousands. That in and of itself is cherry picking. There's no pattern or practice that the DOJ could ever point to here in Oklahoma City.
The original DOJ report also said Oklahoma City and the police department discriminate against people with behavioral health disabilities when providing emergency response services. And in 2023, however, the same DOJ report acknowledged OCPD made big changes to provide a non-discriminatory behavioral health response.
Maybe a law enforcement officer isn't the best person to show up initially, but we've been supportive of that for literally years.
With the investigation now closing, the city will not have to negotiate with the Department of Justice, and city funds will not be spent on required government monitoring of the city and police department.
Can we agree on some things that we can do better moving forward? Absolutely. Do we need to spend hundreds of millions of dollars to have some Fed monitor that? No. That needs to stay here in Oklahoma City.
Oklahoma City Police did give us a statement, and it says in part, quote, even before the DOJ announced its investigation in November 2022, the department had already begun implementing or was in the process of implementing several key initiatives aimed at improving mental health response. In OKC, Jason Berger, KOCO 5 News.